aking Panginoon. Kamay ni Bathala ang siyang malikain.
The sun is in the center of our solar system. Moving around it are the planets.
Our sun is a medium-sized star. But if the star is big, it's gonna be a supernova.
The cardiovascular system is a system which circulates blood around the body and transports nutrients and oxygen to the tissue. Also aids in the removal of waste products from the body.
Kiko, James, and Shira. Creative, eager to learn. Promil's combination of iron and fatty acids, the right nutrients at the right amounts, helps in that age of mental development. It is milk supplement for children 6 months onwards. Promil.
Breast milk is still best for babies.